I'm taking a look at this little MIG welder here. It's actually an arc welder as well. Comes with all of the clamps you need. Just get the ground clamp. You have your MIG welding cable wire, and it comes with the wire for doing stick welding as well. So everything you need here. Also comes with instruction manual, pretty straightforward. Little, basic slag hammer and brush. So really everything you need to get started does come with the wire, so you're good to go once you get it set up. What we're going to do now is I got the wire started to feed in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and get it to come out the end so we can get this thing started. So we'll turn the switch on. I'm going to pull the trigger, change the speed of the wire. Basically just adjusting the front here. I'm going to set this all up the way I want it to actually weld. There you go, right there. You can change your wire speed and a bunch of different things you can do up here, modes and all that type of stuff. So just get the wire out of here. All right, you can see we got the wire out the end, so we're going to go ahead and shut it down. We'll get this cut off. Don't want too much sticking out. And now we will get this set up so we can actually weld something and show you how it works. All right, so we just got a sample piece here. I just want to show you that the system works pretty well. I got the welder right here. We got a ground clamp on, and we got a helmet. I'm just going to hold it here, but just going to go ahead and just do a little sample welding here. So I still have some adjustments I can make on that welder here to really fine tune it, but as you can see, it works perfectly fine. I like the fact that this cable is nice and flexible. Sometimes you get these and it's stiff and it's hard to work with. This is nice and flexible, so you're not fighting the cable. It does have a hook here, so you can hang it up nicely if you want to as well. But yeah, pretty straightforward tool. Just gotta, fine tune it, and you have different settings on there. Read the manual; it will show you a lot of what you can do with it. But overall, a nice little portable MIG welder, stick welder that will do a lot of little projects around the house. If you're fixing tractors and stuff like that, you need something a little bit portable. This will definitely do the trick for you. Now, these guys were nice enough to send this out to me, and I want to thank them. I really appreciate it. So it allowed me to open it up, get it all set up for you, kind of show you how it works, and then you can determine whether or not it's the welder you want. But like I said, for occasional projects here and there, I think this thing will work perfectly fine. But now if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get. There you go. I hope the video helped you out.